It's the weekend, and I have nowhere to go, nothing to do, no place to be, no deadlines. I'm not ripping home. Let's see what kind of mischief I can get into. So before I can do any crazy adventures, first thing is first, I need to go up to Libby, Montana and track down a shower and track down some dinner. Libby, 3 miles. I'm in Libby country now, Joe. I finally found a shower. It's at a gas station. $10? Whatever, it'll work. So getting a shower feels amazing. It's a big deal in this truck. And the next move is definitely gonna be to get some food because I'm hungry. Still can't find a camping spot, but I'll keep looking. I'm not gonna sleep next to the tracks or nothing. I'm just gonna drive up the road. It'd be nice to have cell service to chill and then get up, have some coffee. It will be great. That sunset behind me is pretty neat. The hell is this? Are we gonna have a problem, bro? Another truck camper? Just a dude parking his truck. Okay, it's bedtime. Time to hop in the back of this thing and lay down. Get up tomorrow. Go get some coffee. Go for a quick hike. Maybe a couple hikes. I don't know. Good morning. Just getting up. It's about 7 o'clock. I'm gonna go get some coffee. It's actually pretty beautiful here in Montana. I am at a rest area outside of Troy, Montana, in between Troy and Libby. Libby country. It's time for some coffee. Dude. Gas is $3.96 here. I have to take advantage of that and fill up. Just had some amazing breakfast. Eggs over medium, bacon, a little bit of white toast. Not bad. Now I'm gonna check out Kootenai Falls, go for a little bit of a hike. Well, that about wraps up Kootenai Falls. It's in between Libby and Troy on Highway 2, Montana. Next time you're out this way, Check it out. Peace.